A gender-based violence survivor who killed her intimate partner in a domestic violence incident was vindicated in the Palm Ridge Magistrates Court, as the court agreed that it was in the interest of justice to grant her leave to appeal her murder conviction and subsequent 10-year sentence.
The Constitution is the conscience of the nation, and the courts are its guardians or its custodians. On their shoulders rests the very important responsibility of holding our constitutional democracy together and giving hope to all our people that their constitutional aspirations will be realized. For this reason alone, and given the potential impact on legal principles and public policy, the court concludes on a conspectus of all the arguments that it is in the interest of justice and in the public interest that the constitutional issue pertaining to the minimum sentencing legislation be ventilated in the appropriate forum. Leave to grant it is accordingly granted on both the conviction and the sentence.
This comes after the court heard the appeal of the matter, which will serve as a precursor to a constitutional challenge, which will make it mandatory to consider abuse and the complexities of intimate partner violence when determining these kinds of cases. The state opposed the bid, contending that there was no threat to the life of the accused, dubbed the Palm Ridge mother, when the incident occurred, and further implied that she had chances to evade the incident.
She even had the chance to not to leave a place accompanied the deceased to his place. She further even had the chance to go while the deceased was going to buy a beer while he had left there in the company of
Counsel on behalf of the Palm Ridge mother, however, highlighted that the state's submission speaks to the very flaws in how the criminal justice system responds to GBV victims, which results in the accusing finger pointing back to a woman.
And the point is here is even if we accept all of those conclusions reached by your worship, the point is that by failing to contextualize that in the context of domestic violence as it arose in front of the court, and which both the Constitutional Court and the SCA have told all of us that this is a systemic and an endemic issue, that renders the judgment susceptible to appeal.
The next step for the Center for Applied Legal Studies is to secure bail for the Palm Ridge mother as it prepares for a landmark bid to change how the criminal justice system responds to women who fight back against the scourge of gender-based violence and femicide in the country. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Ekurhuleni.